Hello, marvelous little wanderers. Return to Tooby ABC. It's Tooby, your magical Pup-Kitty companion. Half dog with a tail wagging wildly, half cat with whiskers whispering secrets. We've journeyed from A to L. Today, explore the magical alphabet forest for M, N, and O. Motivated? Call out, motivated, Tooby. Woof, meow! Greetings, marvelous friends. More magic awaits. March with me. Need to meet those letters. Mountains, tall, towering mountains. Mountains start with M. M for mountain. Say it, mighty. One more, mountain loud. M for mountain.
And meadows. M for meadow.
Magnificent. M is for mountain, meadow, and mystery. Mysteries unfold. More M? Monkey? Moon? Marvelous! Marvelous mountains. Now, navigate to N. Nests. Snug, feathery nests. Nests start with N. N for nest. Nestle in and say, N, nest, repeat.
And night. N for night.
Nice. N is for nest, night, and new. New discoveries. Other N? Nut, nose, neat. Nut, nose, neat. Nut, nose, neat. That nest tickled my nose. Onward to O. Ocean. Vast, wavy ocean. Ocean start with O. O for ocean. Ocean wave with me. O, ocean. Again. O, ocean.
An octopus. O for octopus.
Outstanding. O is for ocean, octopus, and open. Open your mind. More O? Owl, orange. Oh yes. Say owl, orange. Woof meow. Open to fun. You're outstanding. Melody moment. Orchestrate the Tooby ABC song for MNO.
M is for mountain Thailand, reaching out to Antarctica. Let's all try. N is for nest, cozy land.
N is for nest, cozy land. N is for nest, cozy land. O is for ocean, waves on sand. M and O hand in hand.
Wag your tail, twitch your whiskers.
Wag your tail, twitch your whiskers.
Wag your tail, twitch your whiskers.
Letters light the way. M, N, O, 13, 14, 15. Play. M is for mountain, high in the land.
N is for nest, cozy land. N is for nest, cozy, cozy wayland.
O is for ocean, waves on sand. M and O hand in hand.
Oh wow, what an outstanding outing. We mastered M, N, and O. You were magical. Next, PQ, offer ideas in comments. Overjoyed you joined Tooby ABC? Over the moon? Like? Subscribe, bell alert. Onward. Over and out. Woof meow.